world is black and white. Try to keep an open mind, but I just can't sleep on this tonight. Stop this train, wanna get off and go home again. Can't take the speed it's moving in. I know I can't, but honestly, won't someone stop this train? Don't know how else to say it. Don't wanna see my parents go. One generation's length away from finding life out on my own. Stop this train, I wanna get off and go home again. Can't stop the speed it's moving in. I know I can't, but honestly, won't someone stop this train? So scared of getting older, I'm only good at being young. So I play the numbers game to try to tell myself that life has just begun. Had a talk with my old man, said help me understand. He said turn 68, oh, you renegotiate. Don't stop this train. Don't for a minute change the place you're in. Don't think I couldn't ever understand. I tried my hand, I tried honestly. We'll never stop this train. See, once in a while, when it's good, it'll feel like it should. And they're all still around, and you're still safe and sound, and you don't miss a thing, and you're crying when you're driving away in the dark, singing stop this train. I wanna get off and go home again. Can't stop the speed it's moving in. No, I can't, but now I see we'll never stop this train.